Yes, welcome you all to our channel, and as you all know, on JobSleep Academically, we keep posting content, we keep posting employment opportunities, and we keep posting vacancies for you guys so that you can grab the most recent opportunity and bag the most and the very good job vacancy for you guys. So today you have a job vacancy for the clinical research coordinator, which is CRC. Now guys, clinical research coordinator जो है, that is basically a form of upskilling career. What is upskilling career? जैसे आप B Farm करते हो, आप M Farm करते हो, या आप MBBS, BDS, BPT, whichever degree, healthcare degree you have, उसके ऊपर से आपने अगर कुछ add-on course कर लिया, like you've done MSL, या फिर आपने other courses किया, PGDM किया, आपने PV Pharmacovigilance का course किया, those courses are called as upskilling courses, for which we academically team also prepare you. So उसमें एक domain आती है, which is the clinical research domain, and there the job posting or the people who perform this job role are called as clinical research coordinator. And this particular job role and this particular vacancy has come up from Kolkata. It's an Indian vacancy फ्रॉम द केवी क्लिनिकल रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. इस रोल की अगर बात करें तो दिस इज एसेंशियल फॉर द सक्सेसफुल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स. जैसे कि अगर कोई क्लिनिकल रिसर्च कोऑर्डिनेटर है, यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि जो भी स्टडीज हो रही हैं इसके कंप्लायंस में, राइट, या फिर जो भी रेगुलेटरी स्टैंडर्ड्स पुट अप हो रहे हैं वाइल मेंटेनिंग द पेशेंट सेफ्टी, द डेटा इंटेग्रिटी इज बीइंग डन प्रॉपर्ली और नॉट. सो दैट इज योर जॉब रोल. योर कंट्रीब्यूशन सपोर्ट्स द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू थेरेपीज एंड एडवांसेस इन हेल्थ केयर थ्रू वेल managed clinical research processes. So if you talk about the JD of this job, if you talk about the job description, CRC is responsible for managing and coordinating clinical trial activities at the role, and you involve the patient interaction, documentation management, regulatory compliance, and sponsors, CRO, investigators के साथ आपको बातचीत करनी है. and मतलब basically जो पूरा ट्रायल एग्जीक्यूशन है क्लिनिकल रिसर्च का या किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट का, वो आपको डिजाइन करना है और वो आपको ओवरसी या मॉनिटर या देखना है. की फीचर्स: हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस आपका होना चाहिए इन द क्लिनिकल ट्रायल साइट मैनेजमेंट. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग एन अपस्किलिंग कोर्स फ्रॉम academically or from any other course providers, you must remember one thing कि capstone projects में you guys should enroll a lot. capstone project में hands on आपको exposure मिलता है how to deal with these kind of patients and how to actually work as a clinical research coordinator. So exposure to patient recruitment and study coordination, work in a GCP compliant clinical research environment, you get to interact with investigators, sponsors and CRO teams, and the career growth in clinical research, CR and regulatory roles are very good. Coming back to responsibilities, you need to coordinate and manage the clinical trial activities at the site level. You have to ensure compliance with ICH, GCP guidelines and regulatory requirement, assisting investigators in patient recruitment, trial master file जो है. So अलग अलग चीज़ों की पूरी job responsibility यहाँ पे दी गई है. and protocol adherence और auditing, ये सारी चीज़ें भी आपको देखनी है. So मतलब what I feel is clinical research coordinator को A to Z of the entire project you have to look after. Coming down to the required qualification, so yes, if you are a B Farm, M Farm graduate, or you have done diploma in pharmacy या clinical research अगर आपने किया है, अगर आपका academic background बहुत strong है, so you already come into the good category to get a job or this kind of job. Talking about the experience और skills क्या आपको चाहिए इस job के लिए, so minimum 1+ experience if you should have, है ना, in the field of clinical trials या CRC role में आपको ICH and GCP guidelines और regulatory documentation की knowledge होनी चाहिए. Experience with TMF, CRF, attention to detail and compliance focused approach should be there, and yes, you should have the ability to work in a fast paced environment. They've given the salary insight also, they've given about the company review. So ये सारी details आपको मिल जाएंगी JobSleep by Academically की website पे. You have to go search for the job vacancy and you get it there. साथ ही साथ हम ये भी आपको बताते हैं कि सीवी जब आप इस पर्टिकुलर जॉब या किसी भी जॉब के लिए बिल्ड करोगे, सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट हाइलाइट्स विच यू शुड हैव इन योर सीवी. एज मेंशन फॉर द क्लिनिकल रिसर्च कोऑर्डिनेटर जॉब, यू शुड हाईलाइट योर एक्सपीरियंस इन क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स. चाहे आपको 6 महीने का भी एक्सपीरियंस हो, योर हाईलाइटिंग ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस इज रियली रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन यू आर applying for this job. Mention your knowledge, whatever knowledge you have in TMF, in CRF, in GCP clearly. Be prepared to explain the clinical trial phases and processes. Interview में वो आपको ये पूछेंगे कि clinical trial और processes की what are the various phases, how do you go by level 1, level 2, level 3. If you have done a course, you already know, but if you haven't, then also showcase the coordination and communication skills. It's very important, and demonstrate the attention to compliance and documentation accuracy. So all these things can be added in your CV when you are preparing for this particular job vacancy, or when you want to apply for this job. Now, how do you apply for this job, guys? Very, very simple. There's an apply now option and there is a save option, right? So you apply now option click karte hi this pop-up form will appear. Fill up the details here. यहाँ पे जाके आपको नीचे जाके submit करना है, and once you move to the next step, you submit. Your quick apply for this particular job already gets done, and you are eligible to grab a job and get a call from the HR team of this particular organization. So this is for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Comment down if you have any question. We'll be happy to answer, and नए-नए videos, नए-नए vacancies हम और लाते रहेंगे. Stay tuned to Jobsly by Academically. Thank you.